How to enable repost feature on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Here, you will see the option for sharing and reuse under the How Others Can Interact with You tab. So, tap on the sharing and reuse option you see there and further, go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for reposts on post and reels toggle button, and with this, the repost feature will be enabled on your Instagram app. So this is how you can enable repost feature on Instagram app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.